How to fix file system error or photo app error in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if you encounter an file system error or photo app error in Windows 11. Sometimes you open up the photo in your device, you might get an error. So in order to solve that error, here is what you can do it. So in your Windows 11, click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for services. Go to services. Once you're here, you have to look for Windows License Manager service. So scroll down and go to the W section and there find out Windows License Manager service. So here it is. Double click on it. So once you have this menu box pop up in your interface, go to the startup type and from here you have to choose automatic. After that, click on apply. Now, once you have done that, you can click on start. Once the process is complete, click on OK. So once you have done the settings, make sure here it is running. Now you can close this. Then you have to restart your device. Once you have restarted the device, now you can go and open up the same photo and your error will be solved. And that's how you can fix the file system error or photo app error in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.